If you want to do this, use 2 center punches. You can hit it with a hammer or use the automatic center punch, which gives you a really nice, precise smite. After that, the shaft doesn't fit anymore. Grind a nice taper on the end. Shallow, so it pushes through nice and easily. Easiest way is to use a cordless drill and a bench grinder. Okay, assembling the tools, sometimes it can be a pain in the butt to put the M3 screws in such a long way in. So I often use a cordless drill just to assemble them. Okay, next using a tiny amount of Loctite stud lock. The bore where the shaft is going to go into the bore. Make sure there's plenty in there. I mean, the tiniest amount does the job. Okay, now we've got this part assembled. We drop the rotor in there all the way to the bottom. Okay. Next we take the jack screw plate, that's that plate, assemble it. Wing nuts are fine for this application, so we put the wing nuts on. Okay, all 3 wing nuts are on. Next we take the jack screw, put the axle in there, the shaft, with the tapered end facing in, and now we screw that in and it will make contact with the rotor at the bottom. Okay, now we just push the shaft in while everything's being held nice and straight. We keep an eye on the hole in the bottom to see when the shaft comes through. There she goes. It's the Loctite coming out. As the shaft comes out, there's the shaft sticking out the back. That's more than enough. We're going to trim it off in any case. Undo the jack screw. Wing nuts. And we can take the rotor assembly out. Got more sticking out the back than we want. It's easy to cut off but not to add on. And we let that cure for 24 hours to be on the safe side, and we should be good to go. Don't forget to clean off any surplus Loctite that may have got into the jack screw, and the same thing goes for the rotor and shaft. This one looks pretty good, but still, always remove surplus. You don't want to get in anywhere else. Once this has had time to cure, I'll clock it up to make sure it's running true, which I'm pretty sure it is.